name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. And Muhammad, peace be upon him, is the last prophet of Almighty Allah. Today we are going to start a series that is Parts of Speech series. It is my first lecture over here. So, first of all, we should know about our sentence. We use words in our life, and when we want to say something to our target, to our listener, to our audience, we assemble these words. First of all, we choose the words, appropriate words, and after choosing appropriate words, we assemble them in proper and logical series and order. So this logical series can be helpful for us to convey our message and helpful for the listener to understand what we are going to say. So the importance of words, then the proper sequence and the assimilation of the words is the basic thing in our life, has a basic, you may say, importance. Sentence, so you can say, use of words logically makes a complete sense. If there is a sentence, then of course it has some parts which we are grammatically say them. The first part, that is called subject, and the remaining, the next part is called predicate. Today our topic is the subject in a sentence. In our second lecture, we shall discuss about the predicate in a sentence. So if there is a subject in a sentence, then how we can come to know, recognize which one is the subject? So the first thing is, there are two words, who and what. They will answer the subject whether it is a subject. Suppose who, it means who is playing, and then I say Ali is playing. So Ali is the subject. What is going over here? The marriage is going over here. So the marriage is subject. So the answer of these two words in a sentence is called a subject. Now there are two different places of a subject in a sentence. So place of subject in a sentence, the first one is usually comes first of the verb. Suppose here there is a sentence, Ali plays cricket. The verb is plays and Ali is the subject. In the second case, it may put after the predicate. You may say it can be the object of your verb. Here comes the taxi. So here the taxi is the subject. The next one, there is a case when there is no subject. Yes. In English, when we are using imperative sentences, then there is no need of use of a subject. The subject is in our minds, and almost in all the cases, the subject is you. Suppose, come here means you. Subject over here, you come here. The next one is wash the car, means you wash the car. You may be 1, 2, 3 or many, but you. So these are the place of subject in a sentence. Now come next, types of subject. Of course, there must be some types. We must know about them so that we may easily recognize them in a sentence while using as well as while recognizing. Number one, simple subject. Simple subject means there is only one proper noun, noun, kinds of noun or pronouns are used. Suppose we should help the needy. Here subject is only one. Any other example you can say, I am watching video. I. So I is subject, there is only one subject. If there it is one subject is used with one word, then this one is called simple subject. The next one is called compound subject. Compound, combination of two. Means if there are two nouns, proper nouns, any kind of noun or pronoun is used, then it is called a compound subject. Here cat is one noun and the dogs is another noun. So these two nouns are joined with the help of conjunction. So this one is you may say compound subject, cat and dog, or you may say cats and dogs, it is more appropriate. Cats and dogs are pet animals. So in compound subjects we use conjunction and then we assemble the two nouns, pronouns with each other. The third one is complete subject. A complete subject is there where there is one or two simple noun or pronoun and there are some modifiers that may explain more the noun or a pronoun. So in this case that all is called complete subject. Suppose here the park and playground near our house are very beautiful. Here first of all check, there are two basic nouns. The first one is the park, the second one is the playground. Here is some more modifier that is explaining them, that is near our house. It is giving extra explanation about the park as well as the playground. So this one is the complete subject. Now how we can check whether it is a compound subject or a complete subject? When the nouns or pronouns are joined by the help of conjunction, simple and nor or, and there is no extra information about the noun or pronoun, then it is a compound subject. If there are some more extra modifiers that may explain nouns, pronouns, or one noun or another pronoun or noun, then this one will be the complete subject. The next one, there is another type of a subject, that is a noun phrase. The noun phrase means, as we know, a group of words that gives a sense but not a complete sense. Over here, suppose if we are saying a yellow house, what do you mean by yellow house? So this one is a phrase. So in the shape of phrase, if it comes, it may come first of it may the subject of a verb or an object of a verb. You may say its place can be at the very beginning or can be at the end of the sentence. So it is our first lecture about the subject, and the next lecture will be about predicate. So keep watching the video and stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.